Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today I'm starting something new. Hashtag tagmetuesday. We're going to make some napkin book page tags. But first, let's have our shout out to Vicki, Dream with Caroline, Ethel, Christy B65, Joyce, and Barbara. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, why I rip down these pages right here, I'm going to tell you my idea about hashtag tagmetuesday. So on Tuesdays, I'm going to make some type of project and entitle it hashtag tagmetuesday. And then if you like the video and you wish to make it too, I invite you to post it on your favorite social media and put in hashtag tagmetuesday. And let's see if we can get this started. I think it would be great fun. So what I've done is I've taken a book page and I actually found my tear ruler, the one that we made online. If you have not a tail ruler, this is awesome and easy to make, very inexpensive. So check out that video. It's in my playlist. So I'm just going to go ahead and ink around the edge of my torn book page. It's from a Climbing Rose book, and I'm just going to ink around just one side because I would like to go ahead and glue it down onto this coffee dyed piece of paper. So I'm just going to place some glue right on here with my glue stick. And I'm going to leave a border around it. Oh, maybe like this. And then I'm going to get it stuck down. There we go. Now what I'd like to do, I get my tear ruler again, and I would like to tear a border around here. Maybe something like this. There we go. And how about tearing a little bit right here. I always find it harder when there's very little to grab a hold to tear, but we can get it. We can get it. I'm hoping. No. Okay, that's probably good enough. Now we're going to tear this side like this. There we go. And right here I'm going to tear this as well. Okay, that looks pretty cute. Right there is pretty cute. Now, I'm going to bring in a napkin. Now, I know a lot of you have worked with napkins, but I also know that a lot of you have not. And napkins come in plies, and some are 2, some are 3 ply. And I know there is a trick that some people use with the tape. I do not care for that because I do not want to rip my corner of my napkin. And that's basically what that trick does, is rips your corner. So I'm just going to gently, I lightly scratch it until I can get them to separate. And then you need to remove the layer. So this one is a 3 ply. And you just gently pull the napkins apart. Don't throw away what you've pulled off. You can either use it again in a project or you can use it as wipe up. Use it to wipe things up with. So now what I'd like to do is I am going to actually tear, and I actually think I'm going to see if I can take my ruler and tear this. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, I got that torn. Now I'm going to put some right over my words, but I need to tear just a little bit more, and I'm just using the ruler to be able to tear my napkin. I'm not really wanting it to be straight. I just don't want it to, tear off into the, way over here somewhere. I just want to tear a little bit. There we go. Now, oh, that's very pretty. I think I would like that right there. I am actually going to tear this part right here. I want to still have it within my border. I don't want to cover up my border. There, I'm going to have that right on there like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Elmer's glue, which is white school glue, and some water, and I'm actually just going to add some right on top of my book page. And I'm going to just take my brush and just easily smooth it out. And then take my napkin and place it right over the top where I want it. Gently now. You have to be gentle because once the napkin gets wet, it is easily torn. So I'm just very lightly going to go back and get the edges to be glued down onto my paper, and I'm going to need to add a little bit more glue. I'm going to put it right on my brush, and I'm going to put it right underneath because I didn't get any right here, and then just lightly make sure that I'm getting the corners glued down onto my book page. That's all I'm doing. And then lightly I'm going to make sure that my napkin is stuck to my book page. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, that is so, so beautiful. I'm going to get this dried, and then I'm going to be right back, and I'll show you what we'll do next. All right, you guys, so it's all nice and dry. Now I'm going to take my ink, and I am actually going to ink up the edge here, the outside edge, the very outside. I'm just going to do that very quickly. I'm really liking how this is turning out. This is a lovely journaling card. And I'm going to do this side as well. Just lay it down and do it this way. It'll make it so much easier. There we go. So much easier. Okay. Oh my goodness. So, so cute. All right, so I'm going to wipe this up real quick. Okay, you guys, I've brought in some labels. Some are from Chapter 1 papers. Some I've made myself. Some is Shabby Dabby Doodah. I have some butterflies that are Shabby Dabby Doodahs. And I have some little bows that are also Shabby Dabby Doodah Tina. And so now, let's see here. What can we get together here to see what we can put together to see what we like here. I think I need a little bit more ink on my sponge, and I do like this a lot, and I'm kind of liking it right here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. Now you could use this in a tuck spot. You could use it in a belly band, or you could actually go ahead and glue it right down onto a page in your journal. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. I think I want this bow, and I think I want a blue one right up there at the top. Right here. And I also think I'm going to bring in my stamp, and I'm going to do a stamp right here. All right, to get from putting this stamp everywhere, because I don't want it to go everywhere, I'm actually going to take my little pieces, and I'm going to put them around like this, and I'm going to take my little stamp, and I'm going to put some ink onto the stamp, and I'm going to stamp it right there. Oh yes, isn't that perfect? Absolutely perfect, you guys. How beautiful is that? Remember, you guys, hashtag #TagMeTuesday. If you like this project, do your own version of the project and post it on your social media. Oh, you guys, if you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.